Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your money manager app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on configuration and you just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on language settings, just click on it. So then here can you select language in this list here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.